In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark your PowerPoint file as final, which essentially makes it read-only. This is a handy feature for when you want to share your presentation, ensuring that others can view it without making any edits or changes. Now, let's dive into the steps, which are quite straightforward. First things first, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you haven't already, just find that familiar orange P icon either on your taskbar or your Start menu and give it a click. Once you have PowerPoint open and ready, you need to either open an existing presentation or create a new one. If you're creating a new one, go ahead and add all the elements you need, like photos, tables, and any other content that make your slide deck complete and visually appealing. Now that your presentation is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and find the File tab. This tab is kind of like the control center in PowerPoint, housing a range of options for managing your document. Click on it and you'll be greeted with a new menu running along the left-hand side. From this list, you're looking for the Info section, which is usually right near the top. Give that a click as well. Once you're in the Info section, you'll spot a button labeled Protect Presentation. This is where the magic happens in terms of adding restrictions and safeguarding your work. Go ahead and select it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From the options presented, look for the one that says Mark as Final. Clicking this does a couple of things. It will lock your presentation in a manner of speaking, letting others know that this is the finalized version. When you select Mark as Final, a pop-up box will appear, confirming your choice and explaining that this will make the file read-only. Just click OK to affirm this decision. Finally, don't forget that saving your presentation is crucial because it ensures that these changes are applied. You can do this by clicking on the Save icon, which should be quite noticeable at the top, or you can simply press Ctrl+S if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Once you've saved it, your presentation is officially marked as final, deterring any further edits. That's all there is to it. Your presentation is now marked as final, providing a read-only version to those you choose to share it with. This feature is a great way to preserve the integrity of your work while making sure everyone is accessing the intended final version. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions about PowerPoint or any other software, feel free to check out our additional resources and guides.